A chilling new warning has emerged from Iran, and this time the focus is not on oil but on water. Welcome to Time XP's War Report with me, Dhriti Athri, and in a sharp escalation, Iranian officials have signaled that if their energy infrastructure is targeted, they could respond by striking critical water facility and that way cross the Gulf. This particular threat directly impacts the key US allies like the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, where desalination plants, they are the backbone of their daily life. Well, these facilities convert the seawater into drinking water, and in fact, in many countries, they supply nearly all fresh water needs. Well, wait, let's pause here because this is not just infrastructure, this is their survival, their basic need. If such a plant are hit, then imagine the impact. It would be immediate, it would be severe. Cities could run out of drinking water within days. Hospitals would struggle to operate, industries would shut down, everyday life will come to a standstill almost overnight. Here experts warn that targeting desalination hubs, it could trigger a humanitarian crisis. In fact, not in weeks but in days. Water shortage could lead to panic, mass displacement and urgent evacuation in some of the most densely populated urban centers in the Gulf. In the meantime, one of the major concerns that is being discussed is large-scale facilities like Jubail complex in Saudi Arabia. And wait, let me tell you, that is one of the biggest desalination hubs in the world. Any disruption over here, it would not only just affect one city but potentially millions of people. Well, this marks a dangerous shift in the nature of the conflict now. The focus is no longer limited to military bases or energy sites. It is expanding towards civilian infrastructure that directly sustains life. And yes, at the very same time, tensions between Iran and the US, they remain high, with warnings and counter-warnings continuing from both the sides. Well, the risk is that any strike on energy facility, it will trigger a retaliatory chain reaction targeting the water system this time. This concept, often refers to as water warfare, it raises serious global concern now. It introduces a scenario where basic human needs, they become part of a strategic pressure, increasing the stakes of the conflict significantly. Well, for the region, the message is clear here. This is no longer just about power or territory. It's about essential resources. Energy on one side, water on the other, and when both of these collide, well, the consequences can be far-reaching. Now, tension's already at critical point. The big question now is whether this warning remains a threat or it becomes a reality that could push the entire region into a deeper and more dangerous crisis.